Most IT projects don't fail because of the technology. They fail because the people working on them don't work well together. Think about that for a second. We spend countless hours sharpening our technical skills, chasing certifications, and learning new tools, but what really makes or breaks a project is how well the team collaborates. That's the fine art of IT teamwork. More details on that in a moment. Technical skills solve problems, but people skills build careers. Compassionate Geek online on-demand training empowers IT teams to be easy to work with and create positive customer experiences. That means fewer conflicts, happier users, and a more successful IT team. Give your team the skills they need on their schedule. Visit compassionategeek.com to get started today. There's a link to the course in the notes just below. In my book, The Compassionate Geek, How Engineers, IT Pros, and Other Tech Specialists Can Master Human Relation Skills to Deliver Outstanding Customer Service, I talk about the 5 principles of IT customer service: technical competence, compassion, empathy, good listening skills, and treating others with dignity and respect. Those same principles don't just apply to customer interactions, they apply to your teammates too. Let's start with competence. You have to know your stuff. If you can't carry your share of the load, the team can't rely on you. That trust is the foundation of good teamwork, but competence alone isn't enough. If you're technically brilliant but dismissive, sarcastic, or unwilling to listen, you undermine the entire project. That's where compassion and empathy come in. Collaboration means recognizing when someone else is struggling and caring enough to help, even if it's not your job. It means putting yourself in your teammate's shoes. Maybe the developer's under pressure to ship code fast and the security analyst is worried about vulnerabilities. Both perspectives matter. With empathy, you can find a solution that respects both priorities. Good listening skills might be the most underrated teamwork skill in IT. Too often, meetings are just people waiting for their turn to talk. Real listening means letting the other person finish, asking clarifying questions, and confirming what you've heard. That one habit can prevent expensive mistakes and save weeks of rework. And then there's dignity and respect. Even if you think someone's idea won't work, you can respond respectfully. When people feel respected, they stay engaged. When they don't, they shut down, and the team loses their contribution. All of this comes down to 2 things: awareness and intentionality. Awareness means noticing how your words and actions affect others. Did you cut someone off? Did your tone shut them down? Intentionality means choosing your words carefully to create a positive outcome. Instead of saying, "That'll never work," you might say, "I see where you're going. Let's talk through some of the challenges." That shift keeps collaboration alive. As an IT manager or supervisor, your role is to model this behavior. If you're dismissive in meetings, your team will be too. If you listen carefully and treat people with respect, they'll follow your example. Team culture starts at the top. So here's the big takeaway. The IT pros who master both technical and the human sides are the ones who stand out, build trust, and move their careers forward. The fine art of IT teamwork isn't about being nice for the sake of it. It's about getting things done, building credibility, and making sure your projects succeed, not just on paper, but in real life. Be sure to press the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel. Want more? You'll find tips and training on IT customer service, teamwork, and leadership at compassionategeek.com.